In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter a 1099-MISC form on TurboTax. If you've received this form, it's important to know how to properly input it into your tax return to ensure everything is accurate. So let's get started and make this process as straightforward as possible. First, open your web browser and navigate to the TurboTax Online 2025 website. This is where you'll be entering all your information, so make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. From there, you'll want to click on the Income section. This section will guide you through all the income-related entries, including where to input your 1099-MISC details. Clicking on Income will take you to a new page where you can see an overview or summary of your wages and income. Next, you'll need to click on Wages and Income Summary. This area provides a comprehensive view of all the income you've reported so far. It's a good place to verify any previous entries and make sure everything is up to date. Once you're in the summary section, look for the link that says Other Common Income. This is where you'll find various types of income that don't necessarily fit into the more traditional categories like salary or wages. Click on this link to proceed. In the Other Common Income section, you'll be able to locate the Form 1099-MISC. This form is used to report various types of income, such as freelance or contract work that aren't otherwise categorized. Take a moment to find this form on the list. It's quite common, so it should stand out among the options. Once you've found the 1099-MISC form, simply click on Start. This will open up a new set of prompts, guiding you through the process of entering all the relevant details from your physical 1099-MISC form into TurboTax. Make sure you have your form handy, as you'll need to input information like the payer's details, the amount of income you received, and any other specific entries that the form requires. As you go through each page, take your time to read the instructions carefully and double-check your entries. Accuracy is key to avoiding any issues with the IRS down the line. If at any point you're unsure about what to enter, TurboTax provides helpful tips and explanations on each page, so make use of these resources. Once you've completed all the necessary entries, TurboTax will incorporate your 1099-MISC information into your overall tax return. Before finalizing everything, it's always a good idea to review your entire return to ensure all the information is correct. And there you have it. You've successfully entered your 1099-MISC information into TurboTax. I hope this guide has made the process clearer and less daunting. Thank you for watching, and happy filing.